Yo, we have something new for you now, It's called a drop of memory. What me say name? A drop of memory. With three of the top herbs that is good for your memory. I will only give away one. If you know, you know. Yeah man, listen to all the people who they go in the bathroom and remember if you go for toothpaste or the toothbrush, come on man, a drop of memory will put it back together. All you have to do one full squeeze in your drink water or tea per day, and remember me tell you, it's gonna be many drops of memory back. Connection man. The aroma drops of memory available overseas and also locally here in Jamaica. Check the website out for who want it overseas in the link below. Yo, a knowledgeable true virgin pan a motivational train. And remember, to deserve more, you get more, you do more, you serve more, and you end up deserve more. Out of here.